Hello everyone, welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Mehak with an update on China weather. China braces for powerful typhoon after week of deadly storms. Typhoon Bavi is approaching China's east coast after passing north of Taiwan, prompting mass evacuation and emergency preparations. The storm follows deadly flooding and severe weather that killed 50 people this week across Guangxi and Hubei provinces, raising fresh safety concerns. A powerful typhoon was heading towards China's east coast Friday, the latest in a series of deadly storms that have already claimed 50 lives this week in two other parts of the country. Typhoon Bavi, with maximum sustained winds of 162 km per hour, was first expected to a part north of Taiwan, bringing heavy rains to the island of 23 million people from Friday night into Saturday. Schools were closed Friday in Taipei, the island's capital, and fishing boats have been tied up close together in ports in northern Taiwan. Many flights into Japan, Hong Kong and other destinations have been cancelled, though some were still scheduled. Taiwan's Central News Agency said the typhoon's current northwest track would take it over some remote Japanese island before passing to Taiwan's north on Saturday. It is forecast to make landfall Saturday night south of Shanghai, near the border between Fujian and Xinjiang provinces. More than 17,000 people have been evacuated in Xinjiang and 170,000 rescue workers placed on standby. The official Xinhua news agency said Fujian has suspended some ferry routes because of strong winds and rough seas and called for fishing boats to return the port. The flood stranded people on the second and higher floors of building for days, many without power until rescuers could reach them. Another 12 people died in central China when severe thunderstorms and tornadoes wreaked havoc in Hubei province on Monday night. Separately, a landslide killed 21 forestry workers in western China, Guangxi provinces, on Tuesday in a disaster that was not storm related. That's all for now. We will continue to monitor Typhoon Bavi and bring you the latest update as new information becomes available. If you found this report informative, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on notification for more breaking weather and disaster news from around the world. Thanks for watching and stay safe.